So what is a star? A star is a bright spheroid of plasma kept together by its own gravity. The Sun is the nearest star to the Earth. Many more stars are visible to the human eye at night. Their great distance from the Earth causes them to appear as stationary points of light. A star's life begins with the gravitational collapse of a gaseous nebula, which is basically a collection of cosmic dust and hydrogen and materials comprising of hydrogen, helium, and traces of the heavier elements. Its total mass mainly determines the evolution and its eventual fate. This is why many of us get it twisted up. Stars are more than simply little spots in the night sky. Those little sparkly spots are actually hundreds of thousands of millions of suns scattered throughout the cosmos. For context, here's a probe image of our star, the Sun, taken from a dwarf planet, Pluto. Due to its distance, our Sun looks like a small dot. The situation is the same for us on Earth. Because of how far and broad these stars are from our planet, they appear to be very little, yet in fact they are massive, even more larger than our own. A star shines throughout the majority of its active life due to the thermonuclear fusion of hydrogen and helium in its core. This process releases energy, which travels throughout the stars inwards and radiates into space. Basically, at the conclusion of a star's existence, its core forms into a stellar remnant. Either the star after it dies turns into a white dwarf, a neutron star, or if it's sufficiently massive, a black hole. Now, stars are crucial in the universe's balance and life. Planets cannot be stable without a star. The gravity of the star causes planets to rotate and revolve around it. Imagine a planet roaming around in empty space owing to lack of gravitational force to pull it. Amazing as that sounds, such planets do exist and they are known as rogue planets. Life on Earth is conceivable because of its source, the Sun. Without the Sun, there would be no photosynthesis, and hence no oxygen for life to survive. Finally, here's some last slices of cake that you might want to have. Stars come in many sizes and colors. Red stars indicate that the star is cool and produces very little heat, whereas blue stars are extremely hot and produce mainly lots of heat. Yellow stars, on the other hand, like our Sun, is located at the center and is just right. Stars have a lifespan of 1 billion years. So, the next time you go outside, whether day or night, take a moment to appreciate the beautiful creation of the omnipotent, that is, the Sun and the stars, as they are one of the most important elements in our universe.